Yummy.
So mga besh, you want that crispy fried chicken? So you need 1 kilo of chicken, 6 cloves of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of black pepper crushed. For seasoning, you need 1 sachet of magic syrup and a pack of creamy yogurt. So marinate the chicken with the said ingredients. And mix well. Marinate the chicken at least 4 hours or overnight. So, you also need a Ziploc bag. And for the breading, you need all-purpose flour, two cups. Corn flour, 2 tablespoons. You also need baking powder, 2 tablespoons. To season the breading mixture, use 1 sachet of magic syrup, and mix well. So after you marinate the chicken, mix well first. And then coat the chicken into the breading mixture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shake, shake, shake. And then let it rest for 15 minutes. Or until the texture of the chicken is look like this. So when the oil is ready, deep fry the chicken.